Build package with Inno Setup and test install. First we will go to juniorsoftware.org to download Inno Setup software. We have clicked on Stable Release. To download stable Inno Setup software, it is version 6.2.2. After the download, we will run it to install the setup file. I am now installing the Inno Setup software to my computer D drive folder and following the instructions, which are given one after another. The installing is successful, and now I am going to making a setup package for installing my created software with Script Wizard. I am setting up the information for my compiled software. And setting up the program file and its folder. All are set now, and I am clicking Next to put the other additional files as like licenses and welcome text, etc. Now I am setting up the installation mode to make the setup file more efficient, and then I set up the language and other informations like output folder, file name, icon, and also the password. The script is done and ready to compile. I am now going to save it somewhere. It will take a while to compile. It is done. Now I am going to run the setup file, which is compiled. It is done. Successfully, the software is installed on the computer. Start menu checking. Thanks for watching.